Every educator wants to make a difference. They want to make a mark, to make an impression on the future, to leave a legacy. John and Nancy Bray have been married for 40 years and together have served as ambassadors of science as individuals and as family. Nancy Bray is a veteran of the classroom and for more than 25 years taught science in North Carolina classrooms.
I was a French English teacher. When I came here, I was at a school, and this happens to a lot of teachers. I ended up talking with the principal, and she said, "Well, I hear your husband's a scientist." And I said, "Yes, he is." And she said, "Well, we're going to put you in charge of science." And then my whole life changed. It has been an absolute dream since then.
Dr. John Bray received his PhD in geochemistry and was a professor at East Carolina University's School of Medicine. In 1994, he founded Metrics, a company that specializes in pharmaceutical development services. For the past 6 years, Dr. Bray has been committed to Go Science, a portable planetarium outreach program in eastern North Carolina. Since the inception of the program, more than 12,000 grade school students and hundreds of teachers have been reached by science education. Now, the Brays are narrowing their focus on a project close to home. Worried about preserving nature and wildlife for students to enjoy in the future, they began purchasing tracts of land that adjoined their property.
We had no idea that we would be moving in this direction when we bought our house and moved out here in early 2004. But as we walked the area, we just kind of observed and said, gee, wouldn't it be great if this could be preserved for other people to enjoy and to learn from?
The Brays are working with the Soil and Water Conservation Department so that this land can become a setting conducive for environmental education. The Environmental Education Center, when complete, will conduct programs for local teachers and students. And student involvement is a key aspect of the Brays' mission.
My major thing is you can teach all the environmental science that you want. If kids aren't out in it and really get a love of it, they may know stuff, but they're not going to love it. And in order to really get involved in environmental issues, you've got to love it.
One of the things that's really surprised me about learning out here is the fact that those things that they say in the environmental books aren't just, bogus. You come out here and you sit in class and it's really boring, but you come out here and you realize, wow, this stuff actually makes sense and it really has a purpose.